Hi, this is Gurjeet from Digital Vision. Today we are going to learn how to use the VLOOKUP in a simple way. VLOOKUP is very widely used by all the data analysts, by the accountants, by chartered accountants, by the data analysts, so many people, so many ways we are applying the VLOOKUP formula in Excel. Although VLOOKUP is not only formula to drive the results, which is required for the purpose. The other formulas are there, but it applied depending on the situation. How would you like to get the result? Sometimes match index matches better than VLOOKUP. Sometimes XLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP. Sometimes HLOOKUP is better than VLOOKUP. So depends on the situation how we use the VLOOKUP formula. The VLOOKUP is very commonly used for the comparison purpose for deriving some results out of data based on some criteria. Criteria can be one, criteria can be more than one, criteria can be text or more other than text. So VLOOKUP is multi-purpose formula. So VLOOKUP can be used in a nested way alongside using the other formulas, nesting inside the formula. VLOOKUP is a one formula which is cannot be used backward from the backward column. Let's suppose your looking value is B column, and based on the looking value, you want to derive the result from the A column. In that case, VLOOKUP won't work from the backward side. So VLOOKUP is always working from forward side, mean to say from the B column C into say B, C, D, E, F. That way it will move forward, not will go backward. That is the biggest drawback. Although there is a way how we can get the backward by creating the virtual data bank, then we can use the VLOOKUP. But in fact, VLOOKUP cannot go backward. Let us see, not much talking about the VLOOKUP, what is it is doing and how we will use, but let us go to the our workplace where we can see the result, how we can get derived our result by using the VLOOKUP. Thank you.
Hi, let us see very quickly the use of VLOOKUP in a simple way. I assume you are not the advanced user of Excel. I'll take it very primitive stage. I assume that you are just learning an initial stage of Excel formulas. Without wasting time, let us start our small data. Based on that data, we will find one value, and based on the value, we look the value by using the VLOOKUP formula. Here is my data. I am taking name, salary, department, rank, name. I just formatted this table. I gave the salary to each name, accounts, sales, purchase, office. Then I gave the rank. Then based on this data, I am looking the salary based on name. I will look the salary based on name. For example, I am looking for Amit. So we look up, then what lookup value? The lookup value is Amit. My data is table is here. I am looking for the salary. Update. In which column the salary line in this table 1, 2, 3, third column. So I put third exact value I'm looking for here. This is the value of Amit. So Amit is taking 45,000. This is first Amit. Let's suppose VLOOKUP will not work like give second A, third A. No. Whatever the first A come, it will look for the value for first Amit. For example, I am going for Ram's value for Sita. If I want to know Sita's salary is 85,000. For example, Meet, I want to know the Meet salary. Let me copy down the Meet salary. So based on the criteria, I mean to say, in this VLOOKUP, we are looking salary for Ram. Here is Sita, Meet. So what is the drawback of this formula? Let's suppose if this name is not in first column, if it is in the third column, then it won't. So VLOOKUP always working from left to right. Now here, if you go A value, second column, so you will second column. I want to B, know the B salary. Then second column, because we have to change the column number. Here I want to see second column. So always VLOOKUP works from left to right. It cannot go right to left. So whole idea to show you here in this small data using the VLOOKUP, that VLOOKUP works left to right first, and secondly VLOOKUP looks for only one value. If let's suppose in this table there are three A's, so first A it will give you the value for 3, value of first A, not 3. So thank you for watching this video. Please continue watching in my next video. Very informative, helpful videos. Until then, bye. Thank you.